Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Today we are going to look at how you can adjust your clutch cable. Your clutch cable should ideally have a play of 3 to 4 mm. If it's more or less, here's what you should do. Use the 12 mm open-end spanners to loosen the cable lock nut on the clutch cover. If the clutch play is too much, turn the other end nut clockwise to reduce the play. If it's too tight, turn the same nut anti-clockwise to increase the play. Then check the clutch-free play. Once you're done, tighten the inner nut and lock the outer nut. You can also adjust the clutch play at the handlebar by turning the screw clockwise to tighten or anti-clockwise to loosen the clutch play. And that's it. You have just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.